Today we're diving into reinforcement learning using PyTorch. We'll cover the basics and implement a simple agent. Let's get started. First, make sure you have PyTorch installed. You can install it using this simple pip command. This installs the core PyTorch library and Torch Vision, which provides useful utilities for image processing that we might use. Start by importing the necessary libraries. These imports include PyTorch modules, NumPy for numerical operations, and Gym for a reinforcement learning environment. Then create a neural network class for a Q learning agent. This network takes the state as input and outputs Q values for each action. It has 3 fully connected layers with ReLU activations. Then initialize the Gym environment. The cart pull environment is a common RL task. State size and action size are determined by the environment's observation and action spaces. Set up the agent with the neural network, optimizer, and other parameters. The agent has methods for remembering experiences, choosing actions, and replaying experiences to train the network. Then implement the training loop. This loop runs for a specified number of episodes. In each episode, the agent interacts with the environment, remembers the experience, and periodically replays experiences to train the network. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.